In this video, we will explore interfaces in Go. Interfaces are contracts for types that define behavior. We will learn what interfaces are, how to declare them, how types implement them implicitly, and some common design patterns. Let's dive in. An interface defines a contract by specifying method signatures that types must implement. Think of it as a blueprint for behavior. Key aspects of interfaces are method signatures, which define the names, parameters, and return types of methods. Type contracts, which ensure that types implementing the interface adhere to the specified behavior. Polymorphism, which allows values of different types to be treated as values of a common interface type. To declare an interface in Go, use the following syntax. Type interface name interface, method name parameters, return type, another method params, return 1, return 2. It's important to note that interfaces only contain method signatures, not implementations. The implementation is provided by the types that implement the interface. Here are a couple of simple interfaces to illustrate how interfaces look in real world. The writer interface defines a contract for types that can write data. It specifies a write method that takes a slice of bytes as input and returns the number of bytes written and an error. The reader interface defines a contract for types that can read data. It specifies a read method that takes a slice of bytes as input and returns the number of bytes read and an error. Go interfaces are implemented implicitly. There is no explicit declaration needed. This means that a type automatically implements an interface if it provides all the methods defined in the interface. In other languages, you might see something like class myClass implements interface, but in Go, you simply implement the methods. Let's see an example of implicit implementation. Here we have an interface called speaker, which defines a single method, speak, that returns a string. Then we define a struct called dog. We define a method speak on the dog type that returns the string woof. The dog type automatically implements the speaker interface because it has the speak method with the correct signature. The empty interface, denoted as interface $, accepts any type. It is similar to the object type in other languages. You can assign a value of any type to a variable of type interface $. In modern Go, any is used as an alias for interface $, so they are essentially the same thing. Type assertion is a way to extract the underlying concrete value from an interface variable. There are two ways to do type assertion. The first is basic type assertion. Value equals I, string. This may panic if the interface doesn't hold the asserted type. The second way is safe type assertion. Value OK equals I, string. If the assertion fails, OK will be false, and you can handle the type mismatch gracefully. Always use the comma OK idiom for safe type assertions to prevent unexpected panics. There are several design patterns to follow when designing the interfaces. Small interfaces. Keep interfaces minimal. Prefer 1 to 3 methods per interface. Interface composition. Combine small interfaces to create larger ones. Accept interfaces. Functions should accept interfaces as parameters, enabling polymorphism. Return concrete types. Functions should return concrete types for better performance and clarity. The Go proverb encapsulates this as accept interfaces. Return structs. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. Interfaces define contracts through method signatures. Implementation is implicit. Just implement the methods. Keep interfaces small and focused for better design. Use type assertions safely with the comma OK idiom. Happy Go programming.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.